Here's a really quick tip showing you how you can use your iPhone or your Apple Watch to control a Keynote presentation on your iPad. When you've got your presentation open on your iPad, you want to press the More button in the top corner, that's those three little dots, and then go down to where it says Allow Remote Controls. From here you want to flick that toggle switch to On if it isn't already, and then grab your second device. I'm going to show you this on my iPhone, but it does work on the Apple Watch or another iPad as well. Open up the Keynote app, and in the top right corner press the Connect Remote button. Follow the prompts here by pressing Continue, and your device will then start searching for other devices on your network with Keynote open. Back on the iPad now, you'll see that my iPhone has shown up on that list of remote controls, and I can tap on it to connect, and then you can approve that connection. At this point, your iPhone is now the remote control, and you can press that green play button to start your presentation running on your iPad. You can jump forwards and backwards through slides, you can trigger animations, and you can control your entire presentation now from your remote control. This is so handy if you need to leave your iPad plugged in to charge, or at the front of the room connected to a projector perhaps. You can also use the markup tools, so you can draw on your slides or use the laser pointer from your remote control, and you can even change how it's shown on your remote control. For example, you might want the current and the next slide, you might want the presenter notes visible. You can customize how this works for you. When you're done, simply press the X in the top corner, and that's it, your remote control is complete. Keynote will remember your device in the future, so if you want to do it again, it'll be even quicker to set up. Just open up the Keynote app on your remote control, press that button in the top right corner, and you'll be good to go. Hey, thanks for watching that video. Now, if you enjoyed that and you want to find some more quick tips for your iPad or to use in your classroom, do me a favour and press the subscribe button down below. That will really help me out, and it will help you keep up to date with all the latest tips and tricks on my YouTube channel.